Tech Trends research helps you prioritize your investments in the age of AI. In the dynamic world of artificial intelligence, AI, these innovations can be your organization's guide to building a robust foundation while unlocking value. Some are AI-driven, others support your growth in a changing landscape, ensuring effective and secure operations. You might already be leading the way with some of these technologies, or some could be entirely new to you. Regardless, they all contribute to establishing the necessary infrastructure, governance, and tools for your organization and its workforce. Done right, these technologies bring numerous benefits, including building trust and confidence in the safe use of AI, creating sustainable practices within your operating ecosystem, tailoring technologies to fit specific tasks, industries, and functions, boosting speed and productivity without hefty investments, delivering enhanced value for both internal teams and external partners. AI TRISM, also known as AI Trust, Risk and Security Management. Why is it acting as a must-have feature on different applications? Supports AI model governance, trustworthiness, fairness, reliability, robustness, transparency and data protection. Those who actively use AI TRISM controls move more of their AI projects into production, achieve more business value, and experience enhanced model precision and consistency than those who don't. Organizations that use AI models managed with TRISM can enhance bias control in decisions while increasing fairness in AI-driven applications. AI model explainability must be constantly tested through model monitoring. This ensures that original explanations and interpretations of AI models remain active during model operations. Essential steps for initiating your journey. Formulate a task force or a specialized unit devoted to overseeing your AI TRISM initiatives. Collaborate across your organization to adeptly administer top-tier toolsets integrated into a holistic AI TRISM program. Establish acceptable use policies and implement a systematic approach to meticulously document and approve access to AI models and attestations of their real-world applications. CTM, referred to as Continuous Threat Exposure Management, guarantees your safety with the highest standards. This approach to security aligns exposure assessment cycles with specific business projects or critical threat vectors. Both patchable vulnerabilities and unpatchable exposures are addressed. The exposure and remediation priorities of the enterprise are validated by weighing in the attacker's view and testing the effectiveness of security controls. Expected outcomes from tactical and technical response are shifted to evidence-based security optimizations supported by improved cross-team mobilization. Details of embarking your pathway with it. Consistently align them with risk awareness and management programs to establish a business-oriented focus and prioritize exposure mitigation based on business value. When scaling a vulnerability management program, gain momentum by achieving operational victories, often found in refining finding prioritization through validation techniques. Embrace cybersecurity validation technologies to complement your current prioritization workflows and elevate your cybersecurity preparedness. Hold the reins for unexpected events, known as sustainable technology. It is a framework of digital solutions employed to facilitate outcomes related to environmental, social, and governance (ESG) that uphold long-term ecological equilibrium and human rights. What fuels this trend? Environmental technologies are at the forefront of averting, lessening, and adapting to risks in the natural world. Social technologies contribute to better human rights outcomes, enhanced well-being, and increased prosperity. Governance technologies bolster ethical business conduct, oversight, and capacity building. Sustainable technologies offer crucial insights for elevating overall performance. How to become involved in the integration of these types of technological assets into your business. Choose technologies that actively contribute to fostering sustainability within your industry and are recognized as priorities by both the business and key stakeholders. This can encompass cloud services, AI, and other relevant options. Engage your ethics board in crafting a roadmap for methodical decision-making. Instead of settling for trade-offs, Strive for the optimization of any value that aligns with enhanced overall organizational sustainability. Leverage the Gartner Hype Cycle for Sustainability, 2023, to strike the right balance between well-established and cutting-edge technologies tailored to advance your enterprise's sustainability. Developer-driven innovation imposed by platform engineering. The art of constructing and maintaining self-service internal platforms involves the creation of individual layers by dedicated product teams. Each layer is meticulously designed to cater to the specific needs of its users, seamlessly interfacing with tools and processes. The significance of platform engineering is underscored by a practice that enhances the developer experience and expedites the delivery of business value. It alleviates cognitive load by refining the developer experience and boosting productivity. Developers gain the ability to independently operate, manage, and develop their applications, ensuring reliability and security. The retention of key talent is also positively impacted. How to initiate this process? Curate and construct internal platforms with reusable, composable, and configurable platform components, knowledge, and services. Approach the platform as a product, collaborating with end users to identify and prioritize the most beneficial technical capabilities, tools, and processes. Subsequently, build a platform tailored to those needs. Foster a product management culture, promoting regular collaboration between platform engineers and the end users they serve. This collaborative environment facilitates bidirectional feedback in a safe and productive setting. AI-augmented development. The utilization of AI technologies, including generative AI and machine learning, ML, to assist software engineers in the creation, testing, and delivery of applications. Why is it gaining traction? AI-augmented development tools seamlessly integrate with an engineer's development environment, generating application code, translating legacy code into modern languages, enabling design-to-code transformation, and enhancing application testing capabilities. AI-assisted software engineering enhances developer productivity, empowering development teams to meet the growing demand for software that drives business operations. AI-infused development tools reduce the time spent on coding, allowing software engineers to shift their focus to higher-level activities, such as designing and composing compelling business applications. How to kickstart the process? Establish a team of senior software engineers to assess AI code generation tools and determine the optimal deployment strategies. Evaluate and implement AI testing tools, recognizing their essential role in your application testing procedures. Choose or establish a design system with reusable UI design and front-end components, enhancing it with design-to-code capabilities. Storage platforms classified as cloud database. Address industry-specific business objectives by integrating foundational SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS services into a comprehensive product offering with modular capabilities. Why is this gaining popularity? It is simply outrageous advantages provided by the following reasons. Industry cloud platforms, ICPs, are customized cloud solutions designed for your industry, further adaptable to your organization's unique requirements. IT leaders can leverage the modularity of these platforms to attain adaptability and agility, responding effectively to the rapid disruptions in their industry. ICPs deliver on industry-specific outcomes aligned with the mission-critical priorities of the vertical segment. Technology and IT leaders can utilize the composable approach of ICPs to craft industry-wide capabilities by recomposing a distinctive proposition, providing uniqueness for their customer and partner ecosystem. How to initiate the process? Integrate ICPs to enhance the existing application portfolio, similar to an exoskeleton, introducing new capabilities that deliver substantial value rather than immediately replacing existing ones. Establish guidelines for deploying ICP functions as production platforms, optimizing and modernizing existing processes, and restructuring functions for more differentiated transformation and innovation initiatives. Initiate the development of composability capabilities by involving enterprise technologists and fusion teams to cultivate enterprise-wide understanding and support for the ICP journey. Intelligent applications elevate your apps with AI wizardry and data mastery. Where does this name even come from? Well, insights into these types of technological features make it possible to obtain essential pros for data management and optimization. Then the question arises as following: ever wondered how generative AI can magically transform your apps? Get ready for a mind-bending experience for customers, users, product owners, architects, and developers. Dive into the realm of intelligent applications, where data from transactions and external sources breathe life into your apps. No need for separate business intelligence tools, it's all inside the apps your business users love. Picture this: AI crafting predictions and recommendations, tailoring apps to users, elevating outcomes, and putting data-driven decision-making on the pedestal. How to kickstart the journey? Launch a center of excellence or assemble a stellar team to unravel the magic behind intelligent apps. Explore how intelligent applications redefine the scope, purpose, and functionality of your enterprise apps. Cultivate a shared understanding of intelligent applications and their game-changing use cases across your organization. Evaluate the ripple effect on your wider app and service portfolio as you let intelligent applications work their transformative charm. Democratized generative AI. The capability to generate entirely new content, spanning images, speech, text, and more, along with its widespread accessibility, is poised to democratize access to information and skills, emerging as one of the most disruptive trends of this decade. Gaining popularity is owed to the following points. Democratizing access to generative AI throughout the organization holds the potential to automate a diverse range of tasks, enhancing productivity, cutting costs, and unlocking new avenues for growth. It also has the transformative power to reshape the competitive landscape and work dynamics across a multitude of enterprises. The democratization of information and skills will extend across various roles and business functions. Through natural language conversational interfaces, vast pools of internal and external information can be made accessible to business users. To be a part of this process, it is needed to create a prioritized matrix of generative AI use cases, considering technical feasibility and tangible business value. Clearly outline a time frame for piloting, deployment, and production across these identified use cases. Implement a change management strategy that prioritizes employee training and well-being, providing them with the knowledge to use generative AI tools safely and confidently. Emphasize how these tools will assist them in automating routine tasks. Develop a portfolio comprising quick wins, along with differentiating and transformational generative AI use cases. Blend initiatives with measurable return on investment, ROI, and those delivering benefits and competitive advantage that might be challenging to quantify directly in financial terms. ACW. A strategy named Augmented Connected Workforce is aimed at optimizing the value delivered by human staff through the establishment of a connective framework that leverages intelligent technology, workforce analytics, and skill augmentation to expedite and expand talent development. Why has it gained a huge momentum towards development and integration? Major conclusions over a wide range of applications resulted in the disclosure of upcoming details. This strategy expedites the acquisition of new, digital, skills essential for various job types. It offers the opportunity for digital tools to reduce the time required for new hires to reach competency. Advancements in workplace automation and AI enable smarter work, demanding an increasingly adept workforce capable of handling complex issues. Delving into the involvement requires prioritizing the reduction of the time to competency for inexperienced workers operating in highly complex environments, with measurable outcomes such as accelerated onboarding. Following this, the formation of a cross-functional program comprising leaders from IT, HR, sales, customer service, and supply chain. As a collective, decide on the workforce segments to prioritize for investment and the desired outcomes. Together with a cross-functional program, designing employee experiences is greatly enhanced with intelligent technology. Lastly, generate insights and provide guided recommendations to assist employees in achieving what would otherwise be challenging within the existing constraints of time and cognitive capacity. Machine customers. These are inhuman economic entities that engage in purchasing goods and services in exchange for payment. The reason behind eye-catching prominence? It is listed for clearance as following. For the first time in human history, businesses will have the capability to generate their own customers. By 2028, an estimated 15 billion connected products will exist, potentially assuming the role of customers, with billions more anticipated in the subsequent years. Their influence on trillions of dollars in transactions by 2030 is projected to surpass the significance of the advent of digital commerce. Initiation is started by establishing a machine customer investigation team by involving senior representatives from strategy, IT, product development, sales, marketing, supply chain, and service. Develop 1 to 3 scenarios exploring market opportunities, such as Internet of Things-enabled products that may emerge in the situations or activities where customers currently use your products and services. Commence the architecture of data sources and API platforms necessary to cater to machine customers who may not utilize or cannot use your human-readable digital storefront.